Okay, sir. So what we have to do? See, our equation is V1, which is equal to HI into I1 plus HR into V2, right? What it indicate that this equation we have to be implemented by using circuit diagram, right? So V1 equal to, so here is the V1 voltage, which is equal to HI into I1. HI indicate that HI is nothing but an input impedance. So input impedance indicate that resistance. So that should be taken as a resistance. And for that resistance, we apply the I1 current. So I1 current is applied to it. Plus HRV2. HRV2 indicate that reverse voltage gain, right? This is the pure ratio. That is not a resistance, not a admittance. So that should be added as a multiplying factor across here, right? So this should be multiplying factor here. So this is nothing but a HR phi2. Phi2 indicate that this is phi2 indicate that voltage source plus minus sign. It indicate that it is a voltage source, right? You just also write here as a plus minus, same thing, right? This indicate that input equation. This is nothing but a V1 HI into I1 plus HR into V2 HR into V2, right? These are the thing with respect to the input. So to plot out the other thing, that is output thing, we give this equation, right? This equation I2 equal to, now see, for that purpose we have applied the KVL and we have to be calculate the thing of equation we have already done. When we have to be calculate this value means आपण जे इक्वेशन लिहिले ना हे बरोबर आहे का नाही हे पाहण्यासाठी आपण याच्यासाठी इनपुटसाठी केवळ अप्लाय केला होता आणि आउटपुटसाठी केसीएल केला होता, राईट? याच्यावर आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू ती काढता येत होती. तशीच आता इकडल्या इक्वेशनसाठी सेकंड इक्वेशन आपल्याला पाहायचंय, राईट? सो दिस इज नथिंग बट I2 इज इक्वल टू HF into I1 plus HO into V2. So HF into I1, what it indicate that forward current ratio, it is a multiplying thing, right? Because it doesn't have any unit, so that we have to be here draw as a one of the things here as a multiplying parameter, not it have any sign, right? So HF into I1, so this is nothing but a HF into I1, what it indicate that it is a current source, so that current source indicate that this sign indicate that it is a current source, right? HF into I1. Now HO into V2, right? These things are HO indicate that, what HO indicate that output admittance, right? Output admittance indicate that it is opposite of the resistance, so it should not be came in a series, it should be came in a parallel, right, to the HF I1. This is nothing but a HO, and in that case whatever the voltage applied across is V2. This is nothing but a V2, right? This is the thing. And when we have applied the V2, in that time the current flowing through device is secondary current, that is I2. So equation, so we have already calculated the equation for the V1 and I2 in our last some lecture. तुम्हाला हे इक्वेशन कसं येतं हे परत एकदा पाहायचंय का? V1 equal to ना I2 equal to ह्याच्यावर लक्षात घ्या. When we have to find out the V1 equal to means equation, for that we have applied the KVL. When we have applied the KVL, it is nothing but a V1 minus of HI1 minus of HRV2. So V1 is equal to HI1 I1 plus HRV2. These are the things with respect to the when we have applied the KVL. When here in this case we must apply the KCL. The things across the KCL are different, right? KCL indicate that this current flowing through the device, right? Two-way. Consider that current flowing through here is a IR through the, see this current, if we have to be considered as a IR current here, and here current flowing is I0. Why we have to be considered the same thing? Because in this case current should be distributed. In this case current should be distributed. In this case voltage should be distributed. So for that purpose we know that whatever the I2 current is nothing but here. See this equation we have already calculated. So I2 is nothing but tell me the value of I2. There are two current. It is nothing but I0 plus IR. Is that correct or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are the thing with respect to I2 current. So I2 current, I0 current is fixed, that is HF into I1, right? Why? Because only one current is flowing through this. This is nothing but a I0 is nothing but a HF into I1. Okay, IR. To calculate the IR, see here I have write down to calculation of IR. To calculation of IR, what we have to do? See, when we have to be calculate the IR, we know the Ohm's law. I is equal to V upon R, right? V upon R. So we doesn't calculate the current flowing through this in this way. We just calculate by using this Ohm's law. V means voltage across these 2 point, right? These 2 point. The voltage across this point, it is a upper point. V2 is the upper point voltage, right? So V2 and this voltage minus this voltage. Here plus, this is minus, this is a plus, this is minus. Minus indicate that it is a 0. V2 minus 0 divided by this is nothing but a HO, right? HO, but see, we know that I equal to V upon R, but this is not R. This is a admittance 1 upon HO. Why 1 upon HO? Tell me why it is 1 upon HO, not HO, right? See, one of the reason behind it is that I equal to V upon R, V as usual, right? R is nothing but a we know resistance, but in this case this is not a resistance, it is admittance. So 1 upon admittance is nothing but a resistance, so that we just write here as a 1 upon H0. So this is nothing but a I are equal to V2 HO, because divided thing going ahead, it is a multiply V2 into HO. So this is nothing but a plus HO V2. This is nothing but a I2, right? See, this is the equation. HF into I1 plus H0 into V2, right? These are the things with respect to this equation. Means whatever we have to be draw the circuit diagram, that is right. How we have to be seen the same thing. See, this equation shows that whatever we have here draw, that should be right. We already seen this thing with respect to the KVL, right? हे दोन इक्वेशन लक्षात आलेत का? याच्याबद्दल काही कोणाला प्रॉब्लेम आहे का?
नो सर.
ओके, सगळ्यांना लक्षात येत आहे? अंकल की लक्षात येते तुमच्या?
Yes, sir.
ओके, पचुटे तुमच्या लक्षात येत आहे?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are the things which should be required for the purpose of finding the H parameter notification for the CBCCC configuration. We already know one of the things with respect to the CBCCC, which we have seen now. Again, आपल्याला ते माहित आहे, तरी पण आपण ती इक्वेशन म्हणजे CBCCC च H parameter इक्वेशन परत एकदा पाहूया आपण, कारण की ते तुम्हाला पुढे लागणार आहे. हे सगळं स्क्रॅच करतो. See, H parameter for CBCC configuration, right? For that calculation of, we see here H parameter. This is the chart, H parameter, standard notation. H parameter standard notation. Then CE, CB, CB and CC. CC, right? See, first thing, we know that first parameter, that is H11, right? H11 is nothing but a P1 upon I1, right? See, one of the important thing, हे मी सारखं का रिपीट करतो याचा रिझन मी सांगतो. तुम्ही इतक्या वेळा समोर पाहावं की जेणेकरून तुम्हाला न पाठ करता लक्षात राहावं, तर हे पुढे जाऊन तुम्हाला खूप लागणार आहे, राईट? That's why I'm repeat the same thing again and again, right? So H11 is nothing but a P1 upon I1. This is nothing but a input impedance, right? Input impedance. So H is common, right? I for it, right? It is nothing but a HI. This is the standard notation, right? So now in this case HI is common emitter configuration. That's why HI, common base configuration. So that HI, tell me HI
B.
right here, HI C. Now see H11, H12. H12 is nothing but a P1 upon P2. This is nothing but a reverse voltage ratio. Reverse voltage ratio, right? Reverse voltage ratio. This is nothing but a HR. Okay, standard notation is nothing but a HR. So equation for emitter, tell me HR.
E.
Okay, here HR
B.
right, HR
C.
C right. H11, H12, H21. H21 is nothing but it is a ratio of output current to the input current, I2 divided by 1. It is nothing but a forward thing. Why it is forward? Because output divided by input. So forward current ratio. Forward current ratio. So it is nothing but a HF. See, in this case, HF
E.
right here, HF B, here HF C,
C.
right? So we have already calculated H11, H12, H21. Now see the H22. H22, it is nothing but a I2 divided by V2. This is nothing but a output admittance. Right? So HO, right here, HO E, HOB, HOC. These are the things which should be related to the H parameter of CE, CB, CC configuration. When we have to be calculate the different thing, that is the thing related to the CB, CE, CC, then we have to be seeing this thing as well as calculation purpose. We have required this thing. When we have to see in the common emitter configuration, then we have required the HIE, HRE, HAP and HOE. When we have used the common base, that case this parameter means when we have to be seen the different type of configurations such as common base, common emitter, common collector. These are the equation which should be required for the purpose of seeing the configuration of the particular thing. एक लक्षात घ्या, हे जे आपण पाहणार आहोत ना, सिम्प्लिफाइड आहे. जे आपण आधी याच्या आधी पाहिलं ना, कोणता H11 साठी जे असेल इक्वेशन P1 upon I1, सेम त्याच रिस्पेक्ट आहे सगळं. फक्त जे इक्वेशन आता इनपुट करंट कोणता आहे, इनपुट व्होल्टेज कोणता आहे, आउटपुट करंट कोणता आहे, आउटपुट व्होल्टेज कोणता, एवढं फक्त आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचं. लक्षात घ्या, यासाठी वेगळंच काही नाही. हे थिंग लक्षात आली का सगळ्यांच्या? म्हणजे H पॅरामीटर आणि देअर नोटेशन फॉर द CBC, CC कसे काढायचे, आणि त्याच्या आधी हे H11 म्हणजे काय असतं, त्यानंतर ते त्याचे इक्वेशन म्हणजे इक्वेशन इंडिकेट HI, HR, HF, HO काय असतं ते लक्षात आलं का सगळ्यांच्या? प्लीज रिप्लाय.
Yes, sir.
ओके. इरेज करतोय. Now see, hybrid equivalent circuit for CCB and CC configuration, right? In this case, we just draw the diagram of CBC CC configuration. Accordingly, we see whatever the input voltage, whatever their output voltage, whatever the input current, whatever the input current. Accordingly, we just put out the value of the particular thing in case of your equation of H11, H12, H21, and H22, right? So by putting this value, we just find out the H parameter value of the particular configuration. See, now see, we have to be seen the common emitter configuration first. C configuration of hybrid circuit. C configuration of H parameter circuit. Okay, for that purpose, first C indicate that common emitter, right? Common emitter. So whatever the circuit coming across it have emitter is common. Emitter common indicate that. See, this is the diagram. I just draw the diagram. Emitter, this should be taken as a in between your input as well as output, right? We just write down the name of this particular terminal. This is a collector, this is your emitter, this is your base, right? So here, whatever thing applied across here is a voltage, right? Parallel thing, that's why it is a voltage. Base to emitter voltage, that's why name is VBE. Is that correct? Because during this we have applied the voltage that is in between your base and emitter. That's why its name is voltage across base and emitter. This is nothing but a VB. Okay. Now see, this is nothing but a what it is. I can explain you, right? The voltage across this VC, because voltage across collector and emitter. That's why it is a VCE. Now see, when Phoebe is flowing through the base, in that case, whatever the current flowing through the base is IB, right? Base current. When output voltage is nothing but a VC, in that case, whatever the current flowing through the collector, it is called as IC, that is a collector current, right? I can explain the thing related to the common emitter configuration here. Now, see above figure, this is the figure, shows that, see this figure. This figure shows that the common emitter configuration of H parameter, right? So what it indicate that common emitter, what it indicate that your emitter terminal is in between your input as well as output, right? That's why it is a common emitter configuration. Now see what we have to do when we have done the configuration by using common emitter. In that case, this term means whatever the voltage applied across is in between base and the emitter. That's why it is a VBE, right? In that case, whatever the output voltage coming across is in between your collector and emitter. That's why it is a VCE, right? So current, when we apply the voltage to the VBE, in that case, the current flowing through these devices is a flowing through the base current flowing. That's why its name is base current, right? At the same time, this current is flowing through the collector. That's why its name is collector current, right? So here, whatever the voltage and current equation, see, we know that we have required in H parameter, there is a four thing, right? V1, V2, I1 and I2, right? These are the thing. लक्षात घ्या, ज्यावेळेस आपण एच पॅरामीटर पाहिले होते बरोबर, त्याच्यामध्ये समजा एक पहिले इक्वेशन घेऊया V1 which is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, right? In that case आपल्याला V1 लागलं होतं बरोबर, इनपुट करंट लागला होता. इनपुट म्हणजे ज्या थिंग आपल्याला इनपुट करंट लागेल, इनपुट व्होल्टेज लागेल, आउटपुट व्होल्टेज लागेल, आउटपुट करंट लागेल, त्या म्हणजे काय तिथं लक्षात घ्या. त्या व्हॅल्यू फक्त आपण आपल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये म्हणजे एच पॅरामीटर इक्वेशन मध्ये जर पुट आउट केलं ना, आपली कॉमन इमिटर कॉन्फिगरेशन फॉर एच पॅरामीटर सर्किट होतं. लक्षात घ्या, म्हणजे डिझाईन सुद्धा त्याच्यात नव्हतं. राईट, सांगा मला V1 काय येतं? V1 काय आहे? दिस इज द V1, दिस इज युअर V2, दिस इज द I1, दिस इज I2. नाउ टेल मी व्हॉट इज अ V1. परत एकदा सांगू मी, ऍक्च्युली V1, V2, I1, I2 आपल्याला लागणार आहे बरोबर. V1 म्हणजे काय? इनपुट म्हणजे ला जे अप्लाय केलं जातं व्होल्टेज, ते इथे इनपुटला कुठलं व्होल्टेज अप्लाय केलं जातंय हे व्होल्टेज. त्यानंतर आउटपुटला व्होल्टेज आहे V2, PC हे आउटपुट व्होल्टेज आहे. त्यानंतर हा इनपुटचा करंट, हा आउटपुटचा करंट. सरळ सरळ मला सगळं सांगतोय तरी पण तुम्ही सांगा V1 काय आहे इथं?
VB.
VBE.
राईट, एकदम बरोबर आहे. VB. ओके, V2 काय?
VC.
VCE.
बरोबर. आता I1 विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू
IB.
IB. I2 काय?
IC.
एकदम बरोबर आहे. ओके, एवढंच चेंज आहे, बाकी काही सुद्धा चेंज नाही या इक्वेशन मध्ये आणि आधी म्हणजे एच पॅरामीटरच्या इक्वेशन मध्ये. लक्षात घ्या. तर आता आपल्याला काय करायचं सांगतो, इक्वेशन फॉर्म करायचे जे आपण आधी केले होते. राईट, सो we know that there are two equation of H parameter. We just draw the same equation, right? This is nothing but a V1 which is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, right? This equation. Now see V1. Tell me value of V1. Here. V1
VB.
is right. H11 is nothing but it is a input impedance, so it should be called as HI, right? And configuration is common emitter, right? त्यामुळे काय येणार इथं? राईट, एकदम बरोबर आहे. HI into I1. So I1 is nothing but
IB.
right, plus H12 is nothing but it is a ratio of input voltage to the right HR into V2 is nothing but PC. This is equation number HRE, right. HRE बरोबर आहे. HRE VC. Now these are the thing with respect to the V1. Now another equation, I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2, right? These are the equation. Now see, I2 is nothing but
IC.
H21 is nothing but I2 divided by I1. Right. HAP बरोबर. E, why it is E? Because it is a common emitter configuration. I1 is nothing but IB plus H22. It is nothing but output admittance. HOE, right? Into V2 is nothing but
PC.
okay. This is the equation number 2, right? So आता मला सांगा, या आतापर्यंत जे झालं यापैकी कुणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? असेल तर सांगायचंय मला.
No sir.
ओके, आता इथं आपण फाइंड आउट केलं टू थिंग्स. V1 is nothing but VB, I2 is nothing but IC. Means whatever the equation coming with respect to V1, that should be coming with respect to input voltage, that is VB, which is equal to HI into IB plus HRE into VC. These are the things with respect to the input voltage. Now see, output current equation is nothing but collector current equal to HAP into IB plus HO into VC. These are the equation. Now one of the important thing, by above equation, sorry, by above equation, we find HI, HRE, then HOE, HAP. Is it possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now see, just partition into two. Now see, to find out the HI. See, first HI, find out the HI, right? Find out the HI. HI is nothing but HI, find out. So to find out the HI, what we have to do? To find out the HI, we make Pc equal to 0. Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To find out the HI, we make Pc which is equal to 0. This is 0 indicate that PBE which is equal to HIE into IB, right? So HIE is nothing but this PBE divided by IB. Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only write down here. We just put out as a VC equal to 0. This is not any other thing. इथं आपण काय केले सांगतो, with respect to H parameter लक्षात घेऊ आपण. phi1 upon I1 when phi2 is equal to 0 एवढंच केलंय आपण, बाकी काय सुद्धा केलं नाही. फक्त इथं पुट आउट इथली ज्या व्हॅल्यू आहेत ना ते केलेत. लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? हे दुसरं तिसरं काय नसून लक्षात घ्या. phi1 pb म्हणजे phi1 आहे बरोबर, IB म्हणजे इनपुट करंट आहे बरोबर, I1 म्हणजे phi1 upon I1 आणि केव्हा VC म्हणजे phi2 equal to 0 बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे फक्त C when we have to be calculate the hybrid equivalent circuit of CE-CB-CC configuration, in that case only we have to put out the particular value of that configuration only, no any other thing is required, right? These are the required thing for the calculation of your HI, right? This is the value of the HI, right? Now see, we just found out the HRE. HRE. So to find out the HRE, we make
IB is equal to 0.
right IB which is equal to 0, right? When we have to be make the IB 0, it indicate that phi BE in equation, see in equation 1, right? So this is nothing but a phi BE equal to, we already done the IB equal to 0. So HRE into VC into VC. So HRE is nothing but a phi BE divided by VC. When tell me, when IB equal to
0.
0. Okay, these are the things with respect to the this parameter. Which are that parameter? This is nothing but a HR. HR indicate that reverse voltage ratio, right? Of the E indicate that common emitter configuration, right? आता आपण काय केलंय, आपण पहिल्या इक्वेशनच्या रिस्पेक्ट टू दोन थिंग काढलेले आहेत, कोणत्या? HI आणि HRE. नाउ वी हॅव टू बी फाइंड आउट द here we have to be found out the other thing, that is a see, in this case we have required the second equation, that is a this equation. Now to find out HAP, we make, tell me, सांगा
P is equal to 0.
काय काय
PCE is equal to 0.
right PC equal to 0 in equation number 2, right? Now
Yes,
see
sir.
here we have put VC equal to 0, indicate that this should be 0. So IC equal to HFE into IB. So this is nothing but a HFE equal to IC by IB. When this done, when VC equal to 0, this is the value of HEP, right? So now we have to find out the last thing, that is a HOE, right? To find out the HOE, काय आपल्याला 0 करावं लागेल सांगा बरं. To find out the HOE, right?
IB.
IB is equal to
To find the HOE, we make IB which is equal to 0, right? This 0 indicate that your equation is in equation number 2. Equation 2. This equation is nothing but a IC equal to HOE into VC, right? So it is nothing but a HOE, this going here as a dividing thing. So IC divided by VCE. When tell me when.
IB is equal to 0.
IB equal to
Okay.
0.
Right. इतकं सिम्प्लिफाईड इक्वेशन आहे कॅल्क्युलेशन, काय सुद्धा अवघड नाही याच्यामध्ये, लक्षात घ्या. फक्त तुम्हाला समजायला पाहिजे. या आता जे झालं आपलं याबद्दल मी परत एकदा सगळं बघून घ्या तुम्ही, याच्याबद्दल कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का. सी when we have to be calculate the different thing with respect to the hybrid equivalent circuit of the particular case, that is CE, CB, CC, we just have only requirement thing is your V1, V2, I1, I2 value only. No any other thing is required. We just changes that thing according to the configuration. लक्षात घ्या ह्या थिंग वेगळ्या आहेत बरं का. हे कॉमन मीटर आहे, त्यानंतर कॉमन बेस ज्यावेळेस करतो ना तसा बेस टर्मिनल कॉमन येतो, त्यामुळे इनपुट चेंज होतं, आउटपुट चेंज होतं. लक्षात घ्या थिंग चेंज होतात, त्यानुसार पुढच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी चेंज होतात. तर या इक्वेशनच्या रिस्पेक्ट टू कुणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का सांगा मला आताच.
no, sir.
No, sir.
सेकंड कोकरे, पल्लवी कोकरे, तुम्हाला काय प्रॉब्लेम याच्याबद्दल.
No, sir.
ओके. देवमारे तुम्हाला.
No, sir.
ओके. आता आपण आता पाहिलं आपण कॉमन मीटर कॉन्फिगरेशन, यानंतर जे पाहणार आहोत ते कॉमन बेस, राईट. फिनिश करूया. Common base configuration. See, base is common, right? In this case, what we have to do? This is the base terminal. This indicate emitter, this indicate base, this indicate collector, right? This is the voltage across emitter and base. That's why first phi is nothing but a voltage base to emitter. That's why first ABCD B पहिल्यांदा येतात त्यामुळे त्याला याचं phi B, right? Again, voltage across collector to base. This is nothing but a phi BC because B is first, BBC. The current flowing through the this way. कोणता करंट असेल हा सांगा बरं. टर्मिनलचं नावच घ्यायचं, दुसरं काय करायचं नाही. इथून फ्लो होणारा करंट कोणता असेल?
IC.
इथून फ्लो होणारा हा करंट कोणता असेल? इमिटर बेस कलेक्टर. इथून फ्लो होणारा करंट कोणता असेल? आवाज येतोय माझा? इमिटर बेस आणि कलेक्टर. तर इथून फ्लो होणारा करंट कोणता असेल?
पॉइंटर दिसत नाही ते पण.
आता दिसतोय का? इथून इमिटर मधनं फ्लो होणारा करंट कोणता असेल?
IB.
इमिटर मधनं फ्लो होणारा इमिटर करंट
I.
आई असेल, राईट. कलेक्टर मधनं फ्लो होणारा करंट IC असणार आहे,
IC.
राईट. आता खाली फक्त नोटेशन काढून घ्यायची. V1, V2, I1, I2. सांगा मला पर्टिक्युलर. V1 सांगा काय येते? PB बर. V2, VBC,
BBC.
I1 इनपुट
I.
बरोबर. I2,
IC.
IC. Okay. These are the things with respect to your equation. Now we know. Same. We know that V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, right? So this is nothing but tell me.
VB.
VB equal to H11 is nothing but HI कोणता काय ई कसं येईल? आता कोणतं कॉन्फिगरेशन आहे? वर नाव आहे कॉमन बेस कॉन्फिगरेशन,
HIB.
राईट. एकदम बरोबर. बी इंटू I1 काय आहे?
I.
राईट. आई प्लस H12 म्हणजे काय असतं? HR, राईट. HRB इंटू V2 काय असेल?
VBC.
बरोबर. EBC. This is equation number 1. Now another equation, I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2, right? This is nothing but tell me I2.
IC.
IC equal to H21 is nothing but
HF.
HF and HFB, right? Into I1 is nothing but
I.
I plus H22 is nothing but HOB into V2 is nothing but
VBC.
HOB काय HOB into V2 काय असतं?
VBC.
Right. This is the equation number 2, right? These are the two things, equation which we have to be calculated. Now we have calculate HIB, HRB, HFB and HOB, right? First, calculation of HIB, right? To calculate the HIB, what we have to do?
PBC is equal to 0.
PBC equal to 0.
We put PBC which is equal to 0. Right? This 0 indicate that in equation 1. Equation 1. So PBE equal to HIB into IE. These are already 0. So this is nothing but a, it is given HIB which is equal to PBE divided by IE. When same thing is came, tell me. When same thing is came, when
PBC is equal to 0.
PBC.
okay. But this is the thing with respect to your calculation of your HIB. Now we just find out the value of HRB. Now find the value of HRB. Right? For that purpose, make
I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0.
okay earlier equation. I equal to 0 indicate that this term going as a 0, right? This term is going as a 0. So VB equal to HRB into VBC. VB equal to VBE in equation 1. In equation 1. Now VBE equal to equation काय बघू VB equal to हे तर 0 झालेला आहे बरोबर आता हे येणार HRB into VBC HRB into VBC HRB into HRB into VBC, right? So to find out the HRB, put out here VBE divided by VBC. When tell me.
I is equal to 0.
Okay, we have to calculate these things, right? Now we only calculate the two things. Now to find out the two things, HFB and HOB. Now find out the HFB. To find out the HFB, find out the to find out HFB. Yep. HFB. We make, tell me.
VBC is equal to 0.
काय
VBC is 0.
EBC which is equal to 0 in equation 2, right? Equation 2 बघा. In this case, I just put इथं केलं चालेल करू का समजून घ्यायला लक्षात येत आहे ना कारण कॅल्क्युलेट करायला थोडं खाली वर करावं लागते सारखं. Now see to find out the HFB. HFB find out. For that purpose, to find out the HFB, we put VBC equal to VBC which is equal to 0. This 0 indicate that your equation is IC equal to HFB into IE, right? So HFB equal to IC divided by IE, right? When the same thing is came, VBC which is equal to 0. लक्षात आलं का इक्वेशन? इक्वेशन लक्षात आलं का सगळ्यांच्या HFB चं? ओके आता HOB काढू. to find HOB, we make, tell me,
I is equal to 0.
right? I equal to 0. This is nothing but a in equation, equation 2. Now see, IC equal to see HOB find out. So this should be 0. So it is nothing but a HOB into VBC, right? So this is nothing but a HOB equal to IC divided by VBC. When the same thing is come, I equal to 0. ओके, एक क्वेश्चनच्या रिस्पेक्ट टू कोणाला काही कळलं नाही, 4 मार्कला एक विचारलं जातं बरं का, लक्षात घ्या. इतकं सिम्प्लिफाईड असून 4 मार्कला विचारलं जातं. लक्षात आलंय का याच्याबद्दल कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम?
No, sir.
अटेंडन्स
sir.
फास्ट अटेंडन्स द्या. रोल नंबर 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Yes, sir.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yes, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 14,
Present, sir.
15,
Yes, sir.
16, 17, 18, 19.
Yes, sir. 18 present.
Okay. 19, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Yes, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Yes, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26, 27,
Yes, sir.
28, 29,
Present, sir.
30, 31,
Yes, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34, 35, 36,
Yes, sir.
35 absent का, 37,
Yes, sir.
38, 39, 40, 41,
Yes, sir.
42,
Yes, sir.
43,
Yes, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
Okay. Absent number सांगतो 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 17, 26, 28, 30, 34, 35, 38, 39, 40. ओके, स्टॉप करूया आपण.